I'm Richard Goldie. I'm a director at Peddlethorp here. We're an architectural studio and we're about 55-ish years old. So the first steps that we do when we undertake a design is we do our research. What is the sustainability opportunity here? What is the mana whenua history of this site? I think Peiho came to New Zealand and they thought it was empty. Māori help us to see place and the stories that wrap around the landscape.
Trying to develop our people inside of Peddlethorp, and Te Reo has been a real catalyst for that. You know, we've been able to start to work with Māori, try to improve the way we do that work and how we do projects and how we fit our process, especially when we've got Māori clients.
Room to Rūma is an app that we developed. It very simply takes the room names that we show on our drawings and, by utilising a digital library, translates them into Te Reo Māori.
So you select the appropriate dictionary, the rooms are named, traditionally you're working at so English room names, and then you simply run the tool over the top of it and it inputs the Te Reo value for those spaces that you've pre-populated. It's just little stuff.
Ko tērā pātana, ko te export. It was really important to try to get a tool that was really easy. It means that it can speed up the uptake of Te Reo Māori into documentation and drawings.
E hea kia whakakotahi ngā whare ki te whenua.
The reo we grew up at Kura, we learned it in a way where we learn it by speaking, where it doesn't necessarily have the proper translation of some of the English words. For bedroom, we call it Rūma moe. But really, the proper word for it is taiwhanga. That's my first ever time learning about it during this project, and that's only the first word. It actually benefited my Te Reo Māori as well.
Architecture is about making things authentic, and how can it be authentic unless you're going back to the people, the stories of the land and the language, which is so critical.
And this is part of the work that we're doing with the Commission.
We couldn't really do that, and we still believe we can't do the tool without the partnership with Te Taura Whiri, Te Reo Māori. Te Taura Whiri, Te Reo Māori just gives us so much surety, expertise around the reo that we don't have.
It's important for us to get on board with Te Reo Māori, and I think there's those two components that I touched on before, which is about the land and the space, and then the buildings. The advice I'd give to everyone in New Zealand with regards to getting on board with Te Reo Māori, do it because it's respectful, and do it because it's just so enriching. And I reckon that's pretty much it.